Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Monday.com API, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize with the Monday.com API, start by creating an account on Monday.com if you haven't done so already. Once your account is set up, log in to the Monday.com platform. Next, navigate to your profile icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Admin. In the Admin section, find the API tab in the sidebar. Click on the API tab to access your API token. If you don't have a token yet, click on the Generate Token button. After generating the token, copy it to your clipboard. Keep this token safe, as it will be used for authentication in your API requests. Now, open your preferred code editor or API client tool. In your code or API client, prepare to make a request to the Monday.com API endpoint. For authorization, include the token in the headers of your HTTP request. Use the key authorization and assign it the value of your copied token. Next, construct your desired API request to interact with the system. Ensure you follow the API documentation to understand the correct endpoint and method to use. For example, to fetch boards, the endpoint would be https://api.monday.com/v2 . Make sure that you correctly format your request body as per the API requirements. Once everything is set up, send the request from your code or API client. If the authorization is successful, you will receive a response from the server. This response contains the data you requested or a success message confirming your action. If you encounter issues, recheck your token and the request format. With successful authorization, you can now explore and interact with the Monday.com API. You are now ready to build and integrate powerful applications using Monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.